Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the Awelco Multi-200 Stanley Multifunction Welder. This powerhouse is your go-to for MMA, MIG-MAG, Flux-Cored, and TIG welding. Perfect for professionals. With a robust output of up to 200 amperes, it tackles a variety of materials with ease. Need efficiency? The Awelco Multi-$200 boasts a 60% duty cycle, so you can work longer without overheating. Built to last and designed for versatility, this welder is ready for intensive use. Are you ready to elevate your welding game? Get the Awelco Multi-200 Stanley Welder today and experience the difference.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.